Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you the KellyCreates products that help you practice on the go so you can travel with your lettering and hand lettering stuff. The first thing I want to show you is the Create Piece storage folder. It comes with this practice pad. This is the blank one. And again, remember your practice pads are very smooth paper. And it slides into this pocket in the pad. So when you're finished with this pad, you can just slide it right out. And you also have some storage on the side. So here is the storage here, and you can pop your papers in here. These are very tight, so you will have to loosen them. There's two pockets here. You'll have to loosen them to get your paper in and out nicely, or else you would fold your paper. So the other thing is you have 3 pen loops, and you can just pop your pens into here and take out your pen and you're ready to go. So that is the first item I wanted to share with you. So the pads, all my practice pads fit in here. So there's the blank one, that you have a lined pad. We have the tracing pad, the dot pad, and the square grid pad. Now, aside from this, I also take my little travel practice journals on the go. There's 2 colors, the teal and the pink. And when you get this, you have one of these inserts, these notebooks inside. This is the square grid. Again, you have very smooth paper, so it's very healthy for your brush pens to use this paper. And then what's really awesome is there are 6 pockets that you could slide your pens into, and all of my pens fit into here nicely. The other thing I want to mention is you can buy extra inserts, and they're held in place by these elastics. So there is the grid insert, the black one, and the black is fun for your metallic pens. And there is also a dot. So just to insert it, you would open it up to the stapled center, and you would lift this in and slide it like this. And then you have your insert there. And then what's really fun about these is you have the tie, so you can tie up your journal and to close it. Kind of makes you feel a little bit artsy. All right, and like I said, it comes in the 2 colors, the teal, and it has this, it's a nice faux suede, and it has this beautiful embossed finish on it. And the other thing I do travel with is my handy Deluxe Lettering Kit. So you just roll it up, it's a pen roll, and you have everything you need to hand letter in, your pencil, ruler, eraser, 2 fine liners, 3 sizes of black brush pens, and 3 large tip pens. Then you have a pamphlet that tells you about hand lettering. But basically you can put whatever pens you like in here, close it up. I actually fold mine in 3, but you can, roll it up so it's nice and smaller and more convenient. And then you would tie it up and take this on the go. The last thing I want to share with you, which a lot of people don't know about, is I do have a piece journal, and it is like a planner, kind of a planner hybrid. How can I describe it? A planner bullet journal type of place for all of my creative thoughts and ideas. So what I wanted to share with you is that you can actually take out some of these pages and get this alphabet review sheet. Now it is for the piece journal, the alphabet review sheets. And this huge package has every letter of the alphabet, capital and small, for both large and small brush pens. Plus there are also some quotes as well. So this is a real deal to get your lettering in a smaller kind of storage place, and have the tracing worksheets that you can pop into here. And they're already pre-punched, so you don't have to worry about that. And you can take as many as you like. Now, if this planner, this journal already comes with pages filled in, filled with paper. Again, it's all very smooth paper. So if it is too full, then just take out a section and take out some extra paper and add it in wherever you like it. And then when it's full, then you can, when you finish practicing and tracing, you can take these out. So that is what I wanted to share with you today, how to letter on the go with lots of my KellyCreates line. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun practicing.